Hey, just real quick, man. I just want to jump on here real quick and roll this situation out to a city. If you know anything about me, you know it's just one of my favorite places, man. In regards to just being a city and a county that's just special to me, just for a slew of different reasons. But I can remember from my mixtape days to every single album, man, I couldn't tell you the amount of times I've been to this city, but every time I come, they pop out like it's my first time ever in the city. Always had the utmost love and respect for me, and I always get them the same love and gratitude back in return. But with that being said, I want to get on here, man, and announce that the FLAWDA's first annual 40 and up with a good job all white affair day party will be coming to Lakeland, Florida. Yes, Polk County, Saturday, January the 24th. Saturday, January the 24th at Haas 820. Now, they just sent me some pictures of Haas 820 because I'm very particular about making sure this event is being held in the right spots, in the right location, and the decor is how everybody want to see it and deserve to see it. And I ain't even gonna front. That Haas 820, it's already all white as it is. So putting that on top of that with this all white affair, 863, this just gonna be one of the ones, man. Tickets is officially on sale right now as we speak. Tickets in section in Polk County. Listen, y'all know I won't lie to you. Something is telling me these tickets in these sections is not gonna last long. I think it's my first time ever coming to Polk County and specifically partying with this group of people, 40 and up with a good job, and I'm looking forward to it. So 863 type shit, Polk County type shit. Saturday, January the 24th. Tickets and sections, the link will be in my bio, and I'll be posting the link right now as we speak. Polk County, Lakeland, Florida. When I say I love you and can't wait to see you, I love and can't wait to see you. Salute.